topic is types of chlorination or application of chlorine. There is 7 types of chlorination. First is plain chlorination, second pre-chlorination, third post-chlorination, fourth is double chlorination, fifth breakpoint chlorination, and sixth super chlorination, and seventh is dechlorination. In this list, breakpoint chlorination is a separate topic and this discuss in another lecture. So first is plain chlorination. Plain chlorination means only chlorination and no other treatment is given to water. Only chlorine applied and no other chemical and no other treatment is given to water. That is plain chlorination. Plain chlorination, effect of plain chlorination is it removes bacteria, organic matter and color. It is used when turbidity is less than 20 to 30 milligram per liter. We have discussed turbidity already and doses are 0.5 milligram per liter or more. This is dosage. Second is pre-chlorination. Chlorination is added before filtration or rather before sedimentation added with coagulation. Doses required are such that 0.1 to 0.5 milligram per liter of residual chlorine comes to the filter. This is purpose of pre-chlorination is reduce the load on filter. Normal dose is 5 to 10 milligram per liter. Pre-chlorination is always followed by post-chlorination. Third is double chlorination. Double chlorination means after the pre-chlorination. So double chlorination means both treatment, pre-chlorination plus post-chlorination. And fourth is post-chlorination. Chlorination is applied at the end when all other treatment is complete. The dosage should be such as to leave 0.1 to 0.0 milligram per liter after a contact period of 20 minutes. And fifth is breakpoint chlorination. Breakpoint chlorination is a separate topic, full topic indicate in a syllabus. So breakpoint chlorination is discussed in another lecture. After that, sixth chlorination is super chlorination. In the case of epidemics, excess chlorine means 5 to 15 milligram per liter is added in water during epidemics such that it gives a residual of high values of residual chlorine 1 to 2 milligram per liter beyond break point is called superchlorination. When chlorine residue is in excess, the excess chlorine will be removed by dechlorinating agent. And seventh is dechlorination. Dechlorination, excess chlorine removal process. Chemical used for dechlorination are called dechlorinating agent. Common dechlorinating agents are sulfur dioxide SO2, activated carbon, sodium thiosulfate, sodium metabisulfate, sodium sulfite, sodium biosulfite, and ammonia NH4OH. So these are the types of chlorination.